Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two platforms, which is the two trading platform called Alpha Capital and Funding Peeps. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Alpha Capital in 2025, Alpha Capital market itself is a big pro firm with multiple platforms. Account size up to $200,000 and a scaling potential, but most accounts are stimulated and not live funded. While it looks attractive on the surface, traders report payouts denied, sudden closure, and a strict KYC for check after passing, and rising serious trust concern. Funding PEEP, by contrast, is a cheaper to start with fee as low as $30 to $50 profit, split up to 95%, and a flexible evaluation option including one-step challenge. It offers more freedom on strategies and a quicker payout, but some traders highlight hidden rules, inconsistent evaluation, and a weaker support. So in conclusion, Alpha Capital feels too risky despite big promises, while Funding PEEP is more appealing for cost-conscious trader willing to accept some transparency trade-offs. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.